Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Wednesday, May 27, 2026. We'll cover the latest movements in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes mostly stayed strong today. The S&P 500 index reached an all-time high, closing at 7,521.29, up 2.18. The Dow 30 index similarly recorded a new peak at 50,644.28, gaining 182.59 points. Both indexes displayed a very strong positive trend. Market breadth was mixed. While the Dow 30 index had more advancing stocks with 20 gainers, the S&P 500 index and Nasdaq Composite Index had more stocks declining as compared to those advancing, indicating some divergence among the major indexes. On total and daily returns, the Nasdaq Composite Index showed strength with a weekly total return of 1.26% and year-to-date return of 14.77%. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 Index recorded a lower daily return, highlighting a variance among indexes. In sector performance, the consumer cyclical sector led gains, climbing 1.8% to an end-of-day price of 2013.31, marking 5 consecutive days of upward closing. The energy sector dipped by 1.5%, closing at 865.35. The financial services sector also fell, down 0.81%, demonstrating a mixed negative trend. Global markets saw positive momentum, with the New Zealand ETF rising 2.5% to 46, and the Taiwan ETF closing at a new all-time high at 102.97 amid strong upward volatility. In returns and performance, the Taiwan ETF boasted a strong week with a total return of 6.33%, reflecting robust market movement. The Thailand ETF followed with notable yearly returns at 22.99%. Tech giants had a dynamic day. Apple ended at a new all-time high at 310.85, rising by 2.52. Amazon climbed 2.4% to 271.85, signaling an upward breakout. Meanwhile, Meta Platforms surged by 3.7% to 635.25, achieving 5 consecutive days of gains. In contrast, Alphabet was slightly down by 0.1, closing at 384.83. Nvidia faced a decline to 212.60, closing down by 2.26 after 4 days of downward movement.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin sees a dip, currently priced at $75,092.79, around $733 down. Ethereum is also dropping, standing at $2,055.33. Meanwhile, Solana and Dogecoin buck the trend, moving slightly upward today. On a weekly scale, Ethereum's total return is notably down by about 2%, with its monthly decline even sharper at nearly 9%. BNB stands out positively for the month with a 6% return, defying the broader downtrend seen in other cryptos.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar against the euro shows a strong positive trend, yet has been flat for 4 days. Current trading sees it very slightly lower at 0.8595. Meanwhile, versus the British pound, the dollar is stronger, continuing its advance, now at 0.7445, despite having only recently broken out after 3 days of stability.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.